Alright, how's it going, YouTube? It is OMDog here, formerly known as FRX Trader on the Ecomi subreddit. And today we are getting back into some price action, and it is just an update. Nothing much has happened since the past 48 hours, so we will get into it right here in a second. Today is July the 11th, or this morning. It is July the 11th, 2021, and it is 3:52 on the East Coast of the United States. And I will also wanted to begin this video by saying that this is not financial advice, and this video was made for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information you see here today. So with further ado, we are going to jump right into our top-down analysis on the weekly chart, and we'll keep it short and simple for you, and I hope everyone enjoys this video we have for you today. So, based off the weekly, from what we've talked about in the last video, market has printed down, so we are seeing that bearish evidence that we want to see on the weekly time frame in terms of seeing this candle close below its open. So yeah, nothing much else to see there. We're going to drop it down to the daily. Currently, we have been trading sideways for 3 days, and if you want to consider this a range, then that's very possible too. But as of now, I see it more as this being the range that we're going to look at, in between the 3116 and 3582 area, relatively. Brokers may vary, or exchanges may vary. So let's see. Yep, sideways on the daily. I'm going to drop it down to the 4 hour. Now we see things a little bit clearer. And as of now, we see this price printing sideways. What that's telling me currently is that we are building, we're creating targets, essentially. Like all this low that I've drew right here, it reached 3150 was its low. Every time it rejected, and what that is doing currently psychologically is it's getting people to buy and sell in this area. Now currently it looks like it's going to have a lot more retail buying in it, just how it looks currently. We have these equal lows here building up money. The market is creating this pocket essentially. We could see a potential grab up before the down move, but I'm pretty set on the bearishness, but I'm going to keep odds open just in case. We're going to look at the upside too. If price wanted to really move up, we would see just all this get obliterated, and we'd see probably a lower time frame retracement, and then those highs would continue up just like that. So delete that. But yes, so initially, just to recap that, sorry, just because it was sloppy, we would see, a little retracement maybe down here, and then the move up. Personally, it just doesn't look like it would happen, and I'll show you why. If that move were to happen, it would have already happened right here. This rejection, it would have maybe given us this, but then this was really the telltale if it was going to move out of this area, and it failed to do that. Obviously, it would have touched and gone like an airplane. We haven't done that, so it's leading me to believe that we are building these areas up. Market's going to snag them and drop. And remember our target area that we were talking about on the 9th, we are getting close to that. We could see market range again, trade down, range, sideways. We could see all kind of doodah trickery. We know how the markets move. Everybody's, people are getting acclimated to this, so let's see. Alright. So from the 4 hour, we're going to jump to the 1 hour. Get rid of this mess. Still relatively the same thing. This area was definitely key. I can't really stress that enough. That area right there was key. If the market was going to move out, it already would have done so. So that's what leads me to believe right now that we are going to move down. We're going to, snag these open areas where other traders have their risks set, and it's just looking better and better as we go. But I'm gonna keep odds open for both. I'm gonna keep scenarios open for both. You never know. Let's see. From the 30-minute, things start to, we're getting pretty boring now. Information isn't really changing much. So we just want to keep our eyes out for this area and price printing lower or any impulsive moves to the upside. As of now, there's nothing much happening, but I did want to get on here and update everybody and also thank everybody for subscribing. I had 26 people in 24 hours. That was crazy. 21 likes on the first video. Some good comments, some critical comments, that things I could work on in subreddit and on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys for wanting to help make the channel better through me by criticizing. So I appreciate it. If there's anything that you guys think I could improve on in terms of just speaking or video quality or anything, please feel free to let me know. Yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on that 15 area. Yep. So with that being said, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and sign off here. For now, this is OMDog coming at you from 3:58 in the morning on the East Coast, waiting for Omi to do a little something for us. And happy hunting, everybody. We'll catch you in the next one. OMDog out.